Welcome to Jamaica, the island of real bad man. Some real dog at you, some real gang bang. No run for the fair, they not garbage pan. Step up! These are the moments when everybody gun loaded. We not instigate violence, but we believe in the self-defense no matter what. These are the moments when every gangster gun loaded. We not instigate violence, but we believe in a self-defense.
In Jamaica's relentless war and crime, the worst criminals end up on the True Island Stories platform. These are their stories.
My name is Donovan Collins, attorney at law who represents Linval Thompson Jr. Now, Linval Thompson Jr. is a partner of Shadon Records, which is a well-established recording company. Now, Mr. Thompson Jr. has been the victim of several defamatory videos which have been posted by popular vlogger Sir P of Politics Watch. Now, Sir P of Politics Watch has sent out several videos, and in these videos he has clearly stated that Linval Thompson Jr. is involved in several crimes, murders, shooting, and also that he is a part of gang activities. Now, all these are false. Mr. Linval Thompson Jr. is a well-known, well-established businessman, and he is not involved in any criminal activity. Now, these defamatory videos have caused Mr. Thompson Jr. to suffer severe reputational harm. It has also caused him to suffer damages, and we are demanding that Sir P of Politics Watch cease and desist from publishing any further defamatory videos about Mr. Linval Thompson Jr. It is very important that Sir P stop this immediately, as we intend to take all the necessary legal steps to ensure that Mr. Thompson Jr.'s reputation is protected. Now, I know that Sir P has been hiding behind a wall, but I would like to let Mr. Sir P know that there are steps that can be taken legally to tear down that wall so that the public can know who you are. So, this is a warning, Sir P. Cease and desist from spreading defamatory contents about Mr. Linval Thompson Jr.
Pull it in. Quick bulletin fi full it in. Yo, Muffet, bring your bully beef tin fi put it in. No, man. The great Sir P has just published his rebuttal video of Shadon's lawyer coming out and speaking against him, saying, you know, if he does not cease and desist, they are going to take some consequential actions against the vlogger, and in regards to him defaming his client's name, which is Shadon, one Mr. Linval Dixon in the interim. Now, just like what I say in our video, the first one, once him come do that, all him do a piece in our handsness and open a friggin' can of worm. Him should have never do that. That before me go listen Sir P video, you know. That before me go listen Sir P video. Now, when me listen Sir P video, are one of the most passionate videos me ever hear the Godfather do. He was calm, cool, and collective, and he had way more evidence, more than anybody else could have anticipated. Evidence meaning a long time shabby them, a link him, you understand? Threateningly at one point, Sir P provide evidence of screenshot where a page will look like Shadon official page. Tell him to go suck all his mother. And, you know, I want or you press me so you think me I slap your wife or what? You know, basically come off of my name Fassi. You see me? And those conversations or threats were sent a long time ago. Now, we all heard Sir P reveal a subliminal in his last video. Not this one, the one before, where he was speaking about Shadon and the triple knockings over Portmore, saying he was the one who orchestrated, you know, that with the Gaza boss. Now, them the information there, crippling. More time police, they even have them information there. But sometime when you know say you're in a lion mouth, you have to take time draw out it. When you know say your face is dirty in these streets, you cannot come act like you clean, bruh. And people got dirt on you like in every fucking corner you turn, they got that dirt. You feel me? No, when you go up against somebody where a fight for justice, you know what I mean? I put it all on the line. Who you think the people are go back? Who you think the public are go back? You think them are go back a criminal entity over somebody where fight for justice, over where people get up every day? Understand this, you know. This is the difference between Sir P and Shadon, you know. Shadon might have links all about know some political figure where offering protection. The street said that. Now, remember, you know, people will go through certain wars where it is said that Shadon is involved in. Brother, them attack. I remember the street said, you know, because of wars, people are left fatherless, people less motherless, and people left brotherless. You think them now go, who for side they think them go pick? Who for side they think them go pick and go and dig up some sitting around a back? So you say, where scary though? Oh, me just say scary a while ago. Oh, I lie, I me attack. You don't know say scary that. Look for a scary picture. Just scary all police, man. Yeah, man. Remember scary box down bigger crime father, you know? You never know. In a stone crusher. Yeah, man, box down bigger crime, cause him get intel say bigger crime and lick him, man. And the man go for bigger crime and I see man buck up. Remember scary dog, Peter? You know what I'm scary dog? Yeah, man, start tip up. Yeah. But as well, Sir P say, and me get the intel too. Cause you know people link me, I go link him. So me no really have to piggyback off her. You know what I mean? What him say, unless me want say what him say and bring it out and expand on what him say. You see me? Cause me sure no say him get the picture. And me no say, you know, me never finish watch your video. Well, me sure no say him get the picture as well. But this is scary. It's where the green arrow point. Alright. And when you look at the next picture now, not the man with the mic in him hand, you know, with the helmet, you know, not the cap. No, the next one, him face turn. So scary. All, you see me, all them bro, all ace in high badness. You see me? But then it's ironic. The same criminal them where you want slap where and them you defend. Like what Sir P said. But you have a job to do. You're a lawyer. You have to eat. You have to pay your bills. So who am I to dictate who you want to defend or who you don't want to defend? No, in a Sir P video called Sir P come back out strong. Sir P come back out strong. Enough people never know say your ex-copper used to fight against Stone Crusher now, you defend them. So that no look good neither in the court of public opinion. Even probably the judiciary, knowing who you defend and knowing say, you know, the street don't know say, you see me, and I say, the streets, I say, Shadon used to slap it for Stone Crusher. So basically, me no know, cronies there, somewhere involved more than liar clerk. I will go on. Somebody plug out the light. I don't know you myself a while ago. Somebody plug out the light. Alright. Do you all Sir P have the thing and I deal with it, you know? Cause me have to talk it and me have to break back it down. From 2020, Sir P I put out some subliminals, you know, about shabby badness, you know, but him never call no name. Yeah, from 2020, and Sir P said him not put out none of shabby badness and call him name until September 2021 I hear about. You see me? And you know, from long time, scary, I link YouTube. You see me? And I try to take down Sir P video. But guess what now? The proof in I pudding and I know in a court and know you know where you can prove. So Sir P goes up and link back this man and say, look here man, this man I deported from America, you know. This man I wanted man, you know. This man I just get catch with God and YouTube say, alright sir, hands off. So me don't know where scary put out that video for. Me don't scare put out that video for. Cause and I like say, this I go do nothing. Cause you done try a means already and you see say road arcs, wrong move, valley road block one. You see me? I be a police on this road block one, so them say nah that was such not the we can't see say in this department. And YouTube goes to hands down, gonna business in Jamaica badness, I had the badness, love it. I show up badness, you know, every America, then call every Jamaica. Yeah man, shower man, yeah man. You see me? So Sir P been have the ammunition, but guess what? Shabby and him team, Shabby should be out. Them and them run there play checkers. And Sir P run there and play chess. The Dawk. The Dawk have the intel all when time. The man say he want Shadon a reason. The man show his screenshot. Me now go take him screenshot and put it back, go look and go watch a video. You know see his screenshot. But I make sure I don't listen to my video because I don't need the badness because I have somebody for bitter at the little bit well on. Yeah, I have one junk for bitter. Yeah, so I don't go no further. Yeah, so it's like no palm me in there. So you know, me lose my train of thought. That's why I should see a front a class in a school, man. Because them sitting there wouldn't hurt me, you know. So buckler. Palm me there again, palm me there. I remember palm me there. Muffet, palm me there again in that video. Go and watch, you know, it's a cliff me there, build dog, man. We soon come back to it, man. Oh. Alright, we may say no. The Dawk them go sub up and link Shabby and Shabby the Dawk Sharpie have intel. You see me? Waiting could have put out from them time there. And don't put it out. You see me? Now when him go come out now, all you do I polarize your client and him case. And everybody now I go come down by your client. A wrong move you make, brother. Me not tell her. Ask yourself. Ask even your client. A wrong move you make. Cause you try the way with YouTube to take down a video. And it don't work. Now, in the public, who you think the people them love more? Sir P or Shabby should be told. Them love Sir P. And them I go dig. And them I go, you see, all some bones where did feel left bury. I dig, you go make people dig it up. I dig people, go dig it up, you know. Boy, me I tell you, one of the worst moves that you could have make, you shouldn't come out public. Some things leak better left underneath the radar. So, all I know have liar, you careful, you make them come out against your favorite vlogger. Because all you know I send the community to go do a dig. And you Sir P say, hold on, liquor, you think me done with it yet? Me have some more sitting for now. You understand? So, make we see it play out. Because Sir P think them, intel them, him there, him in a game before me, so, you know, say, him think them major, and him do him think, him not left nothing and turn. Him dash out everything. Me know me we kind of little reserve because you know me set my channel a certain way. You understand me? Yeah, and some ability so me can't change the narrative. You know what I mean? I change the way how me show up my badness. It's me I deal with. Yeah, because my thing build off a trust. And now, back to this individual, when you connect more. Me, one of my Guru Nation pilgrim link me and send me a screenshot. And my Justice League member on the spot put out a video. And then, under it, one somebody named Connect More, one old cranker. We don't know how to fake page them have. You understand? See now then them look at one room but you them bed catch pan black. I doubt if them name from morning. You see me? The mouth stink like baby dodo. It smell like last week Sunday morning early. In a Coronation Market them just done with Saturday and Saturday night. You think like how? Your auntie tell me say you still have people baby. God, you never know. Your auntie tell me say you still have come beat me well though. Walk up on you too. What you them say no? But that's why Sir P and my dog. First of all, go learn to spell. Cause you spell dog D-W-A-G. You know so it spell a D-A-W-G. So when you come on internet, come show your skin. Go learn to spell first, man. Go learn to spell. That's the first thing. Number one, yes. Trial and Story is not credible because he made mistake. He might on the spot put out people were wrong and then come back say I know this. But at least we are credible and responsible enough to come back admit to mistake and correct it. At that build greatness. People learn after their mistake and you're not afraid to face your mistake. And in the interim, while you were telling me that I was making a mistake, you know what he was fucking doing? The same one in the same screenshot. Look at the screenshot. The person above you was apologizing because he made the same damn mistake. He made the same damn mistake. That's what he did. He made the same damn mistake. Now you to tell me. What is it you're telling me? You're not telling me nothing, man. You're not telling me nothing. Get out of my store. Get out of my store. What the fuck you doing over my platform? You still watching my video, eh? But here we are. Here we are. Still over my platform at Anchor. Me show me can, I'm in a call. I'm not born over here. Where I come over here. Not come back over my place. You know, see, do like, eh? Look on the mistake we make. I apologize. He apologize. Oh, sorry, me read the message wrong. Me make a mistake. The same thing we do. What that tells you? That tells you none of us are infallible. We are all susceptible to make mistakes. You know what I mean? I doubt you do, because you spell dog with D-W-A-G, insignificant piece of shit. What a disappointment you turn out to be, eh? What a piece of shit you turned out to be. I'm sure your parents aren't fucking proud of you. Who are you? Who are you? What have you done? Piece of shit, you. Low-life scoundrel you are. I know what ego ain't nothing but a low-life scoundrel. We should take him to the desert and leave him to die out there. Just take him in the goddamn desert and leave him for the fucking crows to eat his fucking cadaver. I know, Charles, I know, but just leave him the time. He ain't nothing but a piece of shit, ain't he? Yeah, bro, he ain't nothing but a piece of shit. Talking all that. Let me tell you something. My thing be like for entertainment. You see me I walk with Mr. Credibility upon my forehead. You ever see me walk with Mr. I am Mr. Credibility. I am a possibility. No, my thing are entertainment. I will heap a fiction in my thing. Credibility no sell around my shop. So if I that you want, you go dead if you hungry. You go get bread and no credibility. So you have to go near me dry bread back down by itself with the drunge or pan it. Half I piece all dirty chop, all green mango, I piece all teeth and jump plum, I piece all reservoir Guinness dash up pant. Come bit me dwell though. Bite me dwellers. I want to see if you slap out your rotten tongue 12 out to your mulguel geese, man. Hey, I want to look for one time and tell me, saying, I better me that beat him with a piece of wood every day, and tell him some sick, no time about don't jam my tongue, you know. Do all my tongue, you know. Because we tell you some sick, now make you feel small and say, I make you day miserable, you know. Rampid me, yeah? Go and rampid me. Where you do for my place? No come over here, man. Me no want you over here. I'm going to keep making mistakes. I'm going to keep correct it. What? What you can do? Nothing. Because you know why? You're nothing but a little insignificant piece of shit. Cockroach. Fucking cockroach. I'm good people. You're cockroach. You're nothing. Not. I'd be in the fucking fake page talking all this shit. You are nothing. I'm the bad guy. I'm the fucking bad guy. The guru has spoken.
I am Joy.
Pepper, you know the real G-thing, huh? How we grow up, sometime the road tough side slow. Real patriots never buck, never fall. How they get to run, that's why. Back from the boy, we not do that. Boy, who no can't kill with joy, who no boy. Who from your soul don't know what wrong boy. Yo, and a man bust a shot him off a pack up and board. Pointed pon him head back and board. Pop off him strap on him friend him for door. None of that, no assumption. I saw the ground rough. Power, married to corruption. Criminal, bred from limited options. 10 generation. I see the said someone wanted man will live long. Name one. Things will ever be with no done. Name one. One good honest politician. Name one. And get a youth resilient. Back from the boy who no do that. Boy, who no can't tell with joy. Who no boy. Who from your soul don't know what wrong boy. Yo, a man better boy. And a man bust a shot him off a back up and boy. Pointed on him head back and boy. Pop off him strap on him friend him for door. None of that, you a man better. Things risky, for the misfit. Death rate fit the logistic. Chris, I want the biscuit. Be a tough crackers with the whiskey. You're not listening. Crime live here, so it's not visiting. Visitors, careful, you know what the business is. Murder, plunder, pillaging. Oh, bloodshed in all the villages. You name it, you will live in it. Get rich, I do a special delivery. Nightmare, tormented images. Vengeance, bloody cycle continuing. But know you seek that, but it's no revenge. Looking at the mirror, there is no different. Man, we're full of, hey, and we know we trends back from the boy, who no do that. Boy, who no can't tell with joy, who no boy. Who from your soul don't know what wrong, boy. Yup, now a man better. Any man bust no shot him off a back up and boy. Point it on him head back and forth. Pop off him strap on him friend him for door. None of that yo a man better. No assumption, I saw the ground run. Power, married to corruption. Criminal, bred from limited options. 10 generation, passing the said song. One wanted man will live long. Name one, himself a lot with no name one. One honest politician, name one who. And get a youth resilient. Back from the boy, we not do that. Can't kill with your own back. Move from your soul, don't know what wrong go. Yo, a man better go. Any man bust a shot him off a pack up and go. Point it on him head back and go. Pop off him strap on him friend him do. None of that to the top. Yo, you know the thing going to set a seat up a beat, you know. Hey man, take your time man. Boy, man. To them pepper.